here, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my organize and decorate my office with me. I am so excited to film this video, like so excited, because this is my office. This is like my space. This is where I film my videos. This is all my little ladies lounge. Like, I'm just so excited to get to this room. When we moved into our house like 2 months ago now, 3 months ago, I was just so excited to have this space, but it ended up becoming a little bit of a dumping ground as we organized all the other rooms in the house. And I have been waiting to get this room ready, so I'm so excited to share it with you. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see more, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you want to see more of my everyday life pottering around my house, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so this is the room. I will give you guys a full tour of what it's like right now. That's just a little preview. But let me just show you the background. So basically, when we bought the house, when we toured the house and saw this room, we thought it would be more like my husband's office, because he had an office in our old house because he would work from time to time in there, or more like a combined like office for both of us to get work done. So we didn't think it would have like a personality either way, like neither his stuff or my stuff. So like all his sports memorabilia was gonna go down to the basement and his like man cave, and my stuff was probably gonna be more like in our bedroom area anyways. But because of COVID, my husband is working pretty much full-time from our house until his real office opens again. And this room is right on the main like level of the house, so there was no way he was gonna be able to actually work from here, because if the kids knew he was right here and he could hear us and see us, it just wasn't gonna be practical for real work every day. So we decided to make a different room in the house his office, so it wouldn't be on the main floor and it wouldn't be so open to like me and the kids running around, so he could actually get work done, seeing as that is, you know, how it's going to be for the next long while. And we decided to make this room really my office and YouTube space, so I'm so excited. So let me show you guys what I got going on in here, and then I'm gonna need your help getting it done. Okay, so like I said, it's become a bit of a dumping ground. It has all this beautiful open shelving, which actually terrifies me because I have no idea how to style it. So we've ended up just putting anything that's breakable or like a frame here, even though there's some stuff that definitely doesn't belong here, like that over there goes in Corey's room, and just as we're unpacking, like anything breakable just went here. Then all my husband's tools are there right now. Those obviously don't go there. I actually want to do a little dog space over here because the dogs always sit with me while I work. More on that very soon. Dumping ground chair. Then it's got this gorgeous little seating area. This actually was in our old living room. We got a new couch for the main area of the house, so brought this one in here and it's perfect. A lamp that's randomly in the middle of things, and then this is also from our old house. Don't mind the random Halloween decor that shouldn't be there. And this like credenza thing that I need to sort out a little bit. And then over here is my actual desk. Oh my goodness, it's a horror show. It's just craziness. And then, this I have to show you guys. My husband got me for our anniversary. It has where we got married and like other significant places in LA for us. So that was my anniversary present this year. Okay, so that's the bones of the room. Now it's time to actually get organizing. And by the way, I just want to put this out there. My dream is to reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and to get the plaque. If you don't know, YouTube gives you a plaque, like a thing when you hit 100,000 subscribers, and to put it up on the wall. So that's my dream one day. Anyways, let's get started. We need a working space. We need a decor, beautiful space. I need a filming space, and I need a spot for the dogs and something really special to go there, which I'm so excited to share with you guys, especially if you're a dog lover. Okay, let's get started. Time to clear out all the junk that does not belong in here, starting with my husband's toolbox. starting my organization clean out where I am ready for my very special little friends. Here's one of them. This is Reedy and Rocky. Come here, Rocky. And this is Rocky. For anyone who doesn't know, Rocky is an English Springer Spaniel. He is descended from royalty. His father, his father is Jesse James, I think was his name, and he won Westminster. I'm not kidding, guys. And Reed is a little mutt from the shelter. She is a hound mix. We think she is a blue tick coonhound, maybe some beagle. I don't think she has any beagle in her, but people say that. Anyways, I wanted a little corner of my office just for them because they always sit with me while I'm working. And I have a very exciting package that just came in the mail. This is from Crown and Paw, who reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out their product, which is, are you ready for this? A portrait of your pets. And I was like, yes. So I grew up with a dog obsessed family, and the funniest, most hysterical thing is, and when I found out about this and shared it with my family in our like little WhatsApp group chat, they were like, yeah, we already have one of our dogs. So I was like, yes, my people, my family get me. So this just came in the mail last night and I'm so excited. Are you guys ready for this? Here it is. I will put the link below. Oh my goodness. I'm dying. So it's so funny. So you can like select which costume you want for your dog. This is called the Rulers. I definitely wanted both of them in it together. I just can't get over it. Look, Rocky, come here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Is this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Reedy, come here in the picture. I think they like it too, They do. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna hang this up right there over their dog bed. I can't, you guys. So if you know an animal lover, or if you are an animal lover, let me just highly recommend Crown and Paw. Also, it was so easy to take the pictures of them, then you send it to them, and I think they did such a nice job just, you know, softening their features a little. Like Rocky had some scraggly hairs that they just looks amazing. So I'm so excited, you guys. I know I'm a crazy dog lover. Can't help it. Okay, so I'm gonna hang this up, and then I'm gonna continue organizing. I'm done. My office is organized. It's cleaned out. I'm really happy with it. There's definitely some more work to be done. Like I said, I have minimalism in my heart, so I just don't have enough tchotchkes to fill up these shelves, but I've got them down and the rest of the room is done. So let me take you guys on a little tour. Of course, over here is my little dog spot. Okay, so my sleeping little pup. Then this is what these walls are looking like. I don't feel like they're perfect, but I like them. So I got these 4 frames from Target, and I have not obviously put any photos in them, but I thought that helped with the top to fill them up and just give some like uniformity to the shelves so it didn't look busy and cluttered. And then I left the very top ones open. And then each row sort of has a theme. So this one is like my diplomas and some stuff from home. Then over here is, I guess, like kids and family memorabilia, some special items we got when the boys were born and things like that. This is a little Disney section. And then down here are all our family photo albums. These are like our most recent, most special ones and the baby books. Then down here I got this little crate thing that I put some older albums in. They're still relatively recent. They're not like our baby ones, but just sort of stacked them like that because these shelves are a little bit narrow. So like you see, this is our wedding album. It kind of sticks out a little bit, but I think it's okay. So then this row is sort of the wedding section. Again, there's some empty frames, but that's like our invitation that was set into a box, wedding albums, that kind of stuff. And then the last row is going to be like a travel section. So we went to South Africa for our honeymoon. It was really special to us, of course. So that's where those elephants are from. Right now, that's a Minnie Mouse picture, but it will be swapped out. So just some travel section stuff. And here is what it looks like all together. And then over here, styled this a little bit with some frames. And then in here are my photo storage boxes. I made a whole video on these, which I can link below. I absolutely love them. I took out all our fall photos because I'm going to be decorating with some of those, but basically what I do, this one is labeled, is I label each year or section, and they're just these boxes. Each one holds about 100 photos, so I love those. My happy place. And these are just blank albums for future experiences. So that's that section. And then over here is just some work stuff. This, y'all know I gotta show it. It's my book, hopefully coming out very, very soon. Oh my gosh, this is just a galley copy. It's not the final cover or anything, but someday soon, guys. This will be coming out. I will put out a date as soon as I have it. And then just some like old albums down there. The rest went to the basement. And then this is my desk, my Erin Condren planner, which I love so much, my computer. And these are also Erin Condren, and my little Google Home. And that's the desk area. So that's it. That's my office all organized, cleaned out, mostly decorated. I'm so excited to start filming in here and just really looking forward to having a space of my own. If you guys have any tips about these shelves, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.